Ever spent ages packaging assets manually, only to get rejected by the review team? This official tool from Unity wipes away that headache completely. It automatically validates your package, catches missing metadata, and flags issues before you hit submit. The workflow is dead simple. You just drag in your files and let it handle the boilerplate. Even non-programmers can prepare a clean, professional submission in minutes. The interface is intuitive and streamlines every step, from packaging to uploading. It even loads your existing publisher profile, so you never need to re-enter the same info twice. A huge time saver if you're publishing more than one asset. With a 4.59 star rating and over 300 reviews, the community swears by it. One user said it turned a frustrating chore into a 5-minute job. The validation isn't perfect. Sometimes it passes something that the human reviewers later reject. A quick workaround is to still run through their checklist manually after the tool finishes. It costs $0. That works out to free per submission. For nothing down, you skip hours of guesswork and get your assets live faster. Grab it right now on the store. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Building a village level but stuck with boring placeholder sprites? This pack delivers 124 beautifully drawn props and tiles that bring your world to life instantly. You get grass tile sets, trees, bushes, rocks, animated chests, and even fire effects, all in a consistent 32 by 32 pixel style. Every prop feels like it belongs together, so your game looks cohesive from the first scene. Setup is as simple as dragging the prefabs into your tile map. The sprites are pixel perfect and ready to go, so you can prototype a full village in under an hour. This is weekend project fuel. Rated 4.88 stars with 72 reviews. Players love the polish. One dev said it made their prototype look like a finished game. The documentation is light, so if you're new to tile maps, you might hit a few alignment quirks. A quick YouTube search for Unity Tile Map Basics solves it in minutes. And it's completely free. For $0, you skip 40 hours of hand-drawing props. That time-saved ROI is insane. Download it from the store before you start your next level. The trees and bushes are compatible with Unity's built-in tree generator, so you can tweak their shape, color, and wind response right inside the editor. That means every tree in your scene can be unique without extra work. Everything is optimized for performance, low poly with clean UVs, so you can scatter dozens of instances without tanking your frame rate. Great for mobile or PC prototyping. A perfect 5-star rating from 31 reviews. Users call it a must-have free resource for nature environments. It's a light pack, so you won't get a huge variety, only a few tree and bush types. But that's perfect for prototyping. You can always layer in more assets later. This one is a steal at $0. Freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom tree. For free, you get a solid foundation for any outdoor scene. Go grab it. You want pretty grass, ground textures, and trees for your terrain? This starter kit used to be the go-to, and the visual quality is still there. It includes 6 bushes, 4 trees, 3 ground textures, 2 grass textures, and a simple skybox, all designed to work with Unity's built-in terrain system. The tree prefabs are fully editable, so you can adjust leaves and branches on the fly. The textures are high resolution and tile well, making them great for painting large landscapes. With the material property block trick, you can color vary instances without draw calls. Rated 4.58 stars from over 340 reviews. Many devs still love the aesthetic, even if the code is showing its age. This asset is severely outdated. It won't compile in Unity 6 and uses deprecated APIs. The shaders turn pink in URP. You'll need to manually upgrade the shaders or stick to built-in render pipeline. But it's still free. Less than the late fee on your last parking ticket gets you this entire environment kit. If you're working in an older project, it's a treasure trove. Download it before it disappears. Synty's polygon art is everywhere, and this starter pack gives you a small slice of that clean, colorful world, perfect for prototyping or adding charm to a small project. You get a handful of modular environment pieces, buildings, props, and terrain tiles, all in that signature hand-painted low-poly look. The materials are already set up with standard shader, so they work out of the box. The pack is small but efficient, a few prefabs that show you the quality of the full Polygon series. It's an excellent way to test the art direction before investing in the bigger bundles. A perfect 5-star rating from 49 reviews. People describe it as a gateway drug to Synty's ecosystem, and they mean that in the best way. This is a very small kit. You won't get a full game's worth of art, but it's a free sampler to see if the style clicks for you. No pressure. $0 for a piece of a premium art brand. If one client project uses this style, you've paid it off 100 times over in visual appeal. Grab it now. Multiplayer is hard, but Mirror makes it approachable. If you want to add online co-op or competitive play, this is the trusted foundation you've been looking for. Mirror handles state sync, RPCs, and client-server communication with a clean modular API. You just swap mono behavior for network behavior and use tags like command and client. It's battle-tested in titles like Population 1. Setup is straightforward. You import the package, add a network manager to your scene, and get a basic room working in minutes. The huge Discord community and GitHub resources mean you're never stuck alone. Rated 4.74 stars with over 300 reviews. One developer said it saved them months of reinventing the wheel. Documentation can be thin in spots. You might need to watch third-party tutorials for advanced features, but the active community fills those gaps fast. And it's completely free. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. For $0, you get a production-ready networking library. Emotional win. Go download it. Setting up vehicle physics from scratch is a rabbit hole of torque, friction, and drift curves. This asset skips all that. Drag it in, and you have a drivable car instantly. It uses Unity's wheel colliders to control acceleration, steering, and braking. You get a ready-made third-person camera, speed UI, and even particle effects for tire smoke. Perfect for a racing minigame or top-down driver. The code is well commented and easy to tweak. You can adjust top speed, drift multiplier, and center of mass. It's a lightweight base that you can build upon without fighting a complex system. 4.78 stars from 112 reviews. Users love how quickly they got a car moving. One called it a prototype dream. It uses the legacy input system and has a hard speed cap of 190. You'll need to update to new input system and modify the script to remove the cap for a polished game. This one's free. That's incredible educational value for learning vehicle physics. For $0, you get a running car that would take days to build yourself. Grab it. If you're making a 2D platformer and need sprites, UI buttons, and tiles fast, this pack gives you a huge library of pixel-perfect assets in one download. You get over 3 dozen handcrafted icons, 4 color variants of buttons, character run animations, enemy objects like spikes and maces, and seasonal terrain tiles, spring, autumn, winter, in both 2D and 2.5D styles. Chest with open-close animation included. The textures are power of 2 and pixel perfect, so memory performance is clean. Source files in AI and EPS are also included, allowing you to edit the art in vector software. Rated 4.7 stars from over 450 reviews. Many devs praise it as the best free 2D asset collection for prototyping. There are 0 scripts in this pack, it's strictly art. Also, some users report re-import issues between sessions. Expect to set up your own character controller and tile map logic. At $0, this is prototyping speed gold. You can build a level's visual identity in one drag. That's faster than any alternative. Download it and start designing. Every third-person game needs a responsive character, but writing that movement code can eat your weekend. This template gives you a solid, rigid body-based controller ready to drop in. It supports root motion and non-root motion, mechanism humanoid rigs, and includes a basic third-person camera that follows smoothly. You can drop any humanoid model and get walking, running, and jumping in moments. The drag-and-drop workflow is perfect for prototyping. Attach the script to your character, assign the camera, and play. No fiddling with input axes or animation transitions. Rated 4.52 stars with over 240 reviews. Developers often praise it as the fastest way to get a character running in Unity. The codebase shows its age, jittery interpolation, no gamepad support out of the box, and compile errors in newer Unity versions. Expect to patch or upgrade the scripts for a production game. $0 for this controller. The community value is huge. There are tons of tutorials built around it, and you get a head start on movement. A steal for any indie dev. Building an RPG from scratch is a monumental task. Quests, inventory, dialogue, skills. AnyRPG hands you all of that in one free, modular package. It includes over 1,100 icons, 397 audio clips, 266 animation clips, and 300 plus prefabs. The quest system supports multi-step quests with achievements, and the dialogue editor is visual and intuitive. You can create entire games without coding. Use Unity wizards and scriptable objects to set up items, abilities, and game mechanics. The save system, minimap, and combat log are all built in. Rated 4.86 stars from 83 reviews. Users call it a game changer for RPG prototyping and praise the developer's active support. The character controller is rigid and lacks modern animation blending, and you may face import errors in newer Unity versions. Deep customization requires rewriting parts of the core. At $0, the quality-to-cost ratio is off the charts. You get a professional-grade foundation that would cost hundreds elsewhere. Grab this framework and start your RPG dream today. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.